ZENA stock analysis. This is for 2nd of December, Monday and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm answering whether it's a buy or not for me, so watch this short video till the end. With ZENA, first thing that I'll say is, yeah, 12% gains, phenomenal. That's the gains for Friday. And more so last week, end of week performance was even crazier. You have to understand, we went up just south of 400%. 400%, that's crazy. Do you know what my bias on this is? To continue to double down on this bullish market as much as I can. Yeah, I'm not in a bullish buy yet right now, since the price hasn't given me the rules yet, but there's two ways that we can go about it. Either it breaks, it gives me a second break here, or it comes lower and gives me the confirmation lower. Which in this case, you know, both cases would work. Why not? I'm just gonna waiting to see what happens first. And if the price doesn't give me neither, that's also fine. But yeah, if you want to learn the strategy for free, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I will see you in the next one.